We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and often mispronounced words as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So how do you say it? Well, there are 4 different ways of pronouncing it. Now, in British English, this is generally said as Foci, Foci. Although, if you want to pronounce it in a more classic Latin way, or classical Latin way, it is to be said as Foci, Foci. Now, in American English, this is generally pronounced as Foci, Foci. But again, if you want to pronounce it more in a classical Latin way, in the US, you want to say it as Foci. So, Foci, 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 or Foci. And now, you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious, including many words from Latin that many mispronounce. You won't after watching those. Thanks for watching.